Today's 2-minute tech tip is on Tweetdeck and following hashtags for professional learning. Today I got an email that tonight is at 9 p.m. is the Kentucky Tech Chat, which is hashtag KYTechChat. And what this is a Twitter hashtag that you can follow. So I'm in my Twitter account, and I can go up here and type hashtag KYTechChat, and it will bring up all of the tweets that have had that Tech Chat hashtag in it. This is one way to follow. The other way to follow is to go to Tweetdeck. And Tweetdeck is just tweetdeck.twitter.com. It will show you in the first column your Twitter feed. This is PLD Technology. And then I can follow other hashtags. There's Kentucky Go Digital, which is a bunch of Kentucky teachers and technology leaders who tweet out different information for people. There's Kentucky Tech Chat, and then there's PLD Rocks, which is another hashtag I follow for Dunbar. But to see what it's going to look like tonight on this Kentucky Tech Chat, if we go down to April 10th, we will see the last Kentucky Tech Chat that they had. And they'll put out a question, Q7, and then people are to respond with A7, which means this is question number 7 once it's posted, answer number 7 when you answer it, and you always include that Tech Chat hashtag so people can find it. So if you're interested in getting some professional learning, you need to learn something new, that might be something you want to look at and follow tonight. Or any other hashtags that you might want to add. You can click here, it'll bring up a new column, you put the hashtag in. So for example, STLP18, and it adds a new column over here on the side. Hope you learned something new.